Okay guys, this is where my sister's gonna be mixing slime. So that's green and pink. So you're gonna watch her, okay? Please subscribe and like it and turn on the notification.
Give it a big thumbs up. Okay, this one is green and they're both with clear glue. And it doesn't take that long to do it. And this one is the same, but it just has a different color. So now I'm just gonna mix it. So if you guys are, just tell me which color it's gonna be. So I just mixed it and it's a pretty color so far. It's like this color. It's turning to a brown color.
Sorry if my finger went in the way.
It's getting to a brown color because the green went away and I just see pink.
Pinkish, brownish.
See a brown with pink.
Please subscribe.